Hey everyone, Derek here from Cardio Clothing. Today we're talking about suit fit for bodybuilders. So those guys have the big shoulders and it tapers right down into your waist. Most of the time, you're gonna buy a suit that's gonna have to fit your shoulders and it's just gonna be a box straight down. You're spending all this money to taper it in. That's not what made to measure is all about. So when it comes to made to measure, that's kind of the angle we're gonna take here because you guys should be doing custom, you should be doing tailored suits. You should not be buying off the rack, you should not be buying suit separates. Let's just nix that right now because it's not gonna fit you properly. The alterations alone are gonna put that price above and beyond what made to measure costs. So really research a good made to measure company. Don't just stop at one price tag. You can find a made to measure suit for under $1,000. It's gonna be good quality, great quality, probably better than you're gonna find off the rack, and it's gonna fit you properly. So with that being said, look for a good made to measure company. And when you come in there, you wanna have something that's gonna kind of show off your shoulders a little bit. So you're gonna set these, so you see here, these are called a notch lapel, where it looks like there's a little bit of a chip out of it here. You're gonna have a peak lapel, so that's where this is just gonna connect along and start to point out. It's gonna draw the shoulders out a little bit. Go with about a 3.5 to a 4 inch in that, and it's gonna make you look really, really sharp. It's gonna make the shoulders broaden, and then they're gonna taper it into the waist because they're gonna be taking your waist measurement and adding the measurements that they add to that. They're not gonna have to worry about it coming in boxy or coming in too wide. They have to bring the whole suit in by a couple of inches to make sure that it fits properly, and then also the length will be longer in an off-the-rack suit. So that's where made to measure is your best bet because they're gonna be taking all these measurements. So with that being said, peak lapels, draw the shoulders out, kind of show off this part here. It's gonna be a lot of space. So having a peak lapel is gonna take up some of that space and not make it look really bland in your shoulders. Same thing with around the waist. We wanna have a ticket pocket in there. So a ticket pocket is just this extra pocket that's gonna go above the regular pocket. Again, just taking up that space because you're gonna be broader, you're gonna be bigger. You're not gonna wanna have a suit that just looks really bland like a normal suit. You're gonna wanna add these little customizations to it. When it comes to the pants, usually we're gonna wanna taper those in, and we can do that because we're gonna be measuring your hips, your thighs, your crotch, and your calves. So if we're measuring those things, the suits are gonna be made to those measurements with just a little bit of additions to them. Whereas when you're buying off the rack, it's mostly hips, waist, crotch, and length are the things they're looking at. We're taking a lot more measurements than that to make sure that they're fitting properly. So make sure that you're getting something tapered, you're getting something that fits you properly. You're already big enough, you don't need the suit to look bigger than it is. You may want a little bit of extra room in the hips and the thighs because that's where your weight may be going up and down. So you may want to leave a little bit of extra room in there to be brought in or let out if needed, if you're going to be in competitions and you're going up and down the spectrum on the weight. So guys, I know that's just a lot of information and some of it you're probably like, well, what is he talking about? Take some notes, contact us if you have any questions. I'm going to leave a link below for contacting us. Whether it's a message on YouTube, checking out our website, sending us an email. I just want to help you out. Whether you use me or you live in New York and you want to use someone there, go for it. Just make sure you're wearing something that fits you, something that was made custom to you, and you're finding someone at a good price point. At the end of the day, that's the point there is you think you're going to be spending more, you think you're going to be getting lower quality or something. You're not. You're getting really good quality if you're finding the right people. You're getting a really good price tag that's going to match off the rack, if not beat it. So guys, any questions, send them to us, comment below. I want to hear from you. I want to help you out. You do not have to have this headache anymore. We want to work with you. All right, thanks guys.